Hi everyone, and welcome to our second tutorial Tuesday. This time, we're going to be looking at setting warnings and limits on your cellular data usage. This is helpful if you've got a data plan that's not unlimited and you want to take some precautions to make sure you don't run out of data unexpectedly when you need it the most, or end up with a nasty bill at the end of the month for extra data fees. Luckily, it's pretty easy to set up some protection for this in Android, so let's get to it. First, go into Settings by going into your app drawer and selecting Settings. Next, go into Network and Internet, and then Data Usage, and finally, Data Warning and Limit. Now, the first thing at the top is the App Data Usage Cycle. It's a bit of a mouthful, but it's helpful for us. And why is that? Well, if you tap on it, you'll see it asks you for the day of the month of your billing, which is also the day that your data resets or refills for the next month. Android needs to know this to track your data usage properly. So scroll up or down and select which day matches the start of your cellular plan. Let's just say it's the first perhaps. Next, there's a toggle for Set Data Warning. This lets you set a data threshold where Android will warn you that you've used more than the set amount of data. It's important to understand that this setting is only for Android to warn you. It won't stop you from using more data. So if you switch this toggle to on, the next item is where you set the point where Android warns you. If you have a data plan of, say, 3 gigabytes, a warning set for maybe 2.5 gigabytes might be good. Next is Set Data Limit, and this one actually prevents your phone from using more data than what you set here. Same as above, you have a toggle and below a field to set the data limit. If you switch it on, you see a warning message that your phone will switch off all data beyond this point, and also that your service provider may measure data usage differently compared to your device, so it's best to be a bit conservative here. Using the same example from above, if you have a 3 gigabyte data plan, you might want to set this for maybe 2.9 or even 2.95. Don't worry about getting cut off without warning. Android will notify you if it's reached this point. And anyway, that's it. Peace of mind for keeping your data plan in check, and it's this easy. As before, feel free to leave any comments, questions I didn't answer here, any suggestions or requests for new tutorials. It's all welcome. See you next Tuesday.